Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to set launch options in Steam. Setting up launch options in Steam allows Windows users to customize how games start and run. Launch options can improve performance, enable developer settings, skip intro videos, or activate special game commands. Using the correct commands is important because incorrect launch options may cause games to crash or fail to start properly. To begin, open the Steam app on your Windows computer, then sign into your Steam account if you are not already logged in. Go to the Library tab to view your installed games. Find the game you want to customize with launch options. Right-click the game title in your library list, then select Properties from the menu that appears. Stay in the General section of the Properties window. Locate the Launch Options text box near the bottom of the page. Click inside the text box to begin entering commands or launch parameters. Type the launch option you want to use, such as windowed or full screen, or another command supported by the game. Separate multiple launch commands with a space if you need to use more than one option at the same time. Close the Properties window after entering your launch options because Steam saves the changes automatically. Launch the game normally from your Steam library to test whether the new settings work correctly. Return to the Launch Options box anytime to edit, replace, or remove commands if they cause problems or no longer improve performance. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.